That's what I'm talking about. Hey, Chef Wonderful here, and I want to talk about dumplings. Yes, I love dumplings. And I think they are just the most amazing food. It brings so many cultures together. It's such a healthy snack. Or you can be decadent if you want. You can go everywhere with a dumpling. That's why I love, come on, Brooklyn Dumpling Shop. You know, if you're gonna do dumplings, do them right. That's the whole key. You care about the ingredients, you care how they're prepared, you care about the flavor and the experience. Let me tell you about dumplings. You know, it's all about the texture. I mean, this is a food that's popular all around the world, but there's nothing like a Brooklyn dumpling. World legendary. That's why I love them. Are you ready for this? And by the way, does this go well with wine? No kidding. Particularly, you know, something like a Moscato that really brings out the flavor. So let's give this a shot. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. You can't believe how good this is. Korean pork. Oh. Oh my goodness. And the thing about Brooklyn dumplings, you can go anywhere. You can go mac and cheese if you want. You can go vegan, you can go gluten-free, you can do whatever you like. But oh, I mean, bear with me, one more. Ichihuahua caramba. That is so good. I mean, you've got to experience this. You've got to try it. Next time you see a bag of these, pick them up, try them. Just say Chef Wonderful sent you. And I know what I'm talking about when it comes to dumplings. Oh! Look, I'm sorry, I gotta have one more bite. I mean, come on. Come on. Cabernet Sauvignon, dumpling. Oh. You know, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. You combine it with a fantastic splash of very fine wine. Shameless promotion, of course, but what are we talking about here? Oh, I mean, the great thing about a dumpling, it is portion control. Just trying to strafe, you know, trim, you want to lose some weight? Eat 3, don't eat 6. It's a beautiful way to decide just what you want. I ship them to you frozen. Just heat and eat, and you decide which ones you want. You can't go wrong. And all over the country now, Brooklyn Dumpling Shops. So when you feel like one, tap it into your phone and bingo, we make it for you fresh and delicioso, maximoso. Are you kidding? Now, dumplings. There's all kinds of ways to make them and eat them because there's so many different flavors, and that's what we specialize in. You know, I've been waiting to get into dumplings for a long time, and I've finally done it. Brooklyn Dumpling Shops, everywhere, all the time, 24/7. What a fantastic, healthy snack. Or if you want to get decadent, you can go there too. Whatever you like. Sometimes I want to be healthy, sometimes not so much. You know what I'm saying? I want to indulge, and I can do it all with dumplings. Fantastic. Brooklyn Dumpling Shop. Do not forget that name. You want dumplings? You want them from Brooklyn Dumpling because they're just delicious. So many different flavors, so many ways to go. All kinds of upside here. Why? Because we know what you like, and we've been blending and making these for a long time. Delicioso, maximoso. All right, Chef Wonderful, back with you at Dumplings. Here's what you got to understand about this food delicacy, treasured all around the world. It's multicultural. Everybody loves a dumpling, but it's not just the dumpling experience, it's the sauce. And the #1 rock star hit parade sauce is the peanut sauce. My peanut sauce is off the charts. Why? pH. You know what pH is? That's the acidity. To get it just right is nearly impossible. But I know what I'm doing because I'm Chef Wonderful. So let's say you're gonna take a chicken dumpling, just ordinary chicken dumpling. Classic, semi-healthy, pretty tasty. Millions of them served all around the world. You wanna make it special? You take a little of the Chef Wonderful Brooklyn Dumpling Shop peanut sauce, a little dipperoo, that's all you want, just on the edge there. Ooh, chihuahua! Savor, just savor. It's like a fine wine. You can just, oh my goodness, my mouth is watering because it just, you know it's gonna be spectacular. Oh, that's it. That's the combination. That's the explosion of flavor. You kidding? A little splash of the beautiful fine O'Leary. Ready? Oh, I mean, stop the madness. I mean, I can't stop. You know, this peanut sauce, you have to experience it. It's a culinary orgasm. That's what this is. If you're gonna eat food, you gotta try this. Oh, I mean, it's just insane. Just insane. Get your fingers into it. I mean, it's so delicious. You can't stop. And that's the key. Blending the flavors together, blending the flavors. Let's have a Cabernet Sauvignon. Chihuahua, caramba. There's so much going on here. The peanut sauce pH is just perfect. With the crunch of the dumpling, absolutely beautiful experience. The texture in your mouth, and then the follow through. That's the whole thing about this experience. You gotta savor it. There's so much going on. Stop. I mean, that's just insane. If you haven't tried Chef Wonderful's Brooklyn Dumplings, you're missing a whole element of your life. I'm not kidding. Now, you want to go healthy? Got it. Got vegan. You want gluten-free? Got it. Got gluten-free. You want to go decadent? Mac and cheese? Yeah, baby. I'm talking mac and cheese. One of our most popular. I like the chicken. I like the beef. I like them all. What's not to like? And then the sauce. You've got to try this. By the way, this sauce is so perfect that Skippy, the king of peanut butter, yeah, we've co-branded with them. That's how big the sauce is. You think Skippy would put it on any sauce? No way. It's gotta be the perfect Chef Wonderful, perfect pH, perfect. And by the way, I blend the sauce to get it just right. See that? It's just perfect. Where do you get Brooklyn dumplings? At your favorite grocer, that's right. We prepare them, we freeze them for you at their peak of freshness. You just heat and eat. You choose what you like. Don't forget the sauces. My goodness, the peanut sauce is to die for. The texture. That's the whole thing about dumplings. It is the most exciting, interesting, texture, flavor-rich food you can ever eat. Total portion control. Have one, have two, have three. Get what you like. You want vegan? You got it. Gluten-free? You got it. You want decadent? Yes, you got that too. We got it all. And by the way, you're gonna find this product everywhere you shop. Now, would you like to get into business with me in dumplings? Call me about a franchise. Exploding all over the nation. Why? People love dumplings. That's why. It's a brand new food group in the sense people are discovering it, but it's been around for centuries. And it's so delicioso. Every culture loves a dumpling. They have different names, but they're basically dumplings. Yeah, you remember pot stickers? Forget that. We're talking about dumplings. The purest Chef Wonderful knows. All right, guys. Next stop for you, try a dumpling. Not any dumpling. Brooklyn Dumpling Shop. You got it? See you soon.